Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you LED matrix panel. This is working with the application and you can plug the USB in and it's going to work. Then it has some animations. You can do graffiti and you can put some text. Let's go ahead and look at what we have. First thing is user manual, how we're going to use it. What's inside the box? LED display, LED controller, car charger, 3M tape, and instructions. This is the application we're going to download. And it shows how we're going to use it. And we're going to go ahead and look at it. And here is the car charger. And 3M tape you can use. This is the controller. You can turn it on and off and you can change the style. It's also long cable. And here is the LED display. Go ahead and open it. And then we plug it in. Purchase. You're welcome. Okay, you can see it like that. It's also very bright. Let me go ahead and change the style. Let me go ahead and open the application. This is the one we need to connect. Okay, click top right. Pattern, for example, that one. It's uploading. There is Super Mario. I want to use this. Data is sending right now. Wow. These are some of the things you can use. There are so many things. Look at that. It's gonna continue with the music. Let me see. You can edit text from here, plus sign, and put the text. I am okay. And now I'm okay. You can change everything. Let's see. All right. You can change the color. Let's go ahead and save it. Then